What's up YouTube? Today we're East Coast Japanese. Some of the cars are now leaving because I was too busy filming cinematics, but we're in the little Micra and I just want to focus more on cinematics, so let me know how you feel about this new style. But yeah, so we got two really nice Nissan Micras right here. Got a red one, red and white Steelies, and we got this sort of purplish or bluish one. I can't remember what colour. I think one of my friends had one exactly like this, but I said it was the wrong colour. I said about the colour what I said it was wrong apparently. So yeah, but yeah, really nice gold wheels on there. We've got an R32 Skyline right here, my favourite. We've got a Mitsubishi Evo 8 and it's an MR, and I think it's the FQ. It says the FQ 340, which I think FQ means I heard it stand for quick, but which it probably is. Though Mitsubishi never said anything what it actually means because they don't want to. Yeah, we got a Honda. I think is this an Accord or something? It's a Type R. Or was it Integra? Yes, an Integra Type R, not an Accord. Really nice. I really like the colour of this blue actually, it's really nice. Also got a Honda NSX, a Gen 2, unfortunately without the pop-up headlights, but it definitely looks really good. It's got the Alcantara dash inside there. You also got a really nice carbon fibre wing, looks like. That carbon fibre? Yeah, I think that is. Just look at that, that's one awesome build. We also got a, I think they call this a PS13. Chrome wheels, or is it? It's got a little bit of bronze to it, I think. Can't really see because I've got sunglasses on. Yeah, nice black. Looks very nice indeed, very clean. And we also got, right next to that, kind of matching the vibe with it, chrome wheels and black. We got a Nissan 200 SX, is it? I think it is 300ZX. I mean, yeah, 300ZX. I definitely really love these cars. I love the look of these cars. I'm just going to put this on a wide angle lens. There we go, so you can see a bit better. Right, so I'm going to try and talk over this music, but got a blue Civic carbon bonnet, it's really nice. We got a S13 white wheels, and we got this really nice Kanjo on the side there. Honda Civic EG, I think they call this. We also got a Nissan S14 black with Enki wheels right there. Let's take a look under here. So we have a purple Mark III Supra, one of my favourite Supras, if I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. Just loving the colour of this, love the pop-up headlights. RIP pop-up headlights. Alright, and we have an S15 in yellow, which also looks really, really nice. The rims look really nice with it as well. It's also got a body kit on it as well, which looks really cool. Look at that spoiler on the back. That just looks really, really nice. You've got an MX-5 as well. We've got a GT86 right here, and we also got a Nissan Skyline R32, I think this is. Yep, we've got an R32 with the gold BBS rims, and we've got a carbon spoiler on the back. Really nice colour as well. I'm loving the colour to this. It's like a dark red. I'm not sure what to call this colour, but it's like a dark or brownish red. I'm not sure what it's called, but I really love that colour. We got a, I forgot what type of Civic this is, but it's a Civic. Looks really, I like these Civics, I like the shape of those. We got a MR2 now leaving. It's really nice. There was a massive lineup of MR2s actually over here. Let's go and record there. So this section we have some really cool cars. We have a S13. This one is also really clean as well. We have a GT86. We have a MR2, another MR2, and another MR2, and another MR2. Certainly a good lineup of cars. We've got a Civic now leaving. We also got this Nissan GTR. Whoa, look at that one, actually. That looks really nice. But this is also pretty nice. We got a, I think it has a 360 camera on the back. So yeah, it's definitely getting some nice footage right there.
Fake records. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 my dog 2 1 2 bigger than hip hop. It's bigger than hip hop. One thing about music, when it hit, you feel no pain. White folks say it controls your brain. I know better than that. That's game, man. We ready for that. 2 soldiers head of the pack. Matter of fact, who got it? And where my army at? Rather attack and not react. Back to beats, it don't reflect on how many records get sold on sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Whether your projects put on hold in the real world. These just people with ideas. They just like me and you when the smoke and cameras disappear again. The real world. It's bigger than all these fake.
I have a large margarita with pineapple, please, mate.
So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the new style of the video as well. But yeah, please leave a like, subscribe, and my name's Jay Froz. I'm out. Peace.